given the economic hardships that are out there right now, retailers aren't going to want to be known for doing that.
He says they'd be better off donating the clothes.
All right, so you can see I got the green beast on the back of the truck today. That's because I got a couple tree jobs. Actually, finishing up a tree job from yesterday where it just got a little funny at the end. And then this one's good. This one's kind of funny. I've got a tree to remove in a kind of fancy-ish neighborhood here in town. It's a dead tree, just so hideously out of place in that neighborhood. I could climb it, you know? I could take it down piece by piece, really tidy-like, but I kind of want to fell it. I kind of want to just drop that sucker in the front of the house. It'd be a clean drop, I think. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. And then in the afternoon, just have a couple bids to do. We gotta go check out a couple trees. Probably not do any chopping on them. Alright, so here is the drive up on this one. Just because context kind of matters on this one. You know, you gotta know what you're dealing with. A tree in one place is not a tree someplace else. So, you know, it's just one of those neighborhoods, a little bit gourmet. I think that term McMansion comes to mind. Little McCheese, double special kind of thing. You know, some kind of big houses and stuff. Anyway, I think it's right down this road. And you're gonna see it. Yeah, this is it. Down this road. It's just so hideous. It's just funny. I think it's been there like about 5 years, just dead. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I think there's room to just drop it right here. Just gotta move that trash can. Alright, here's the plan with this guy. Pretty straightforward. Strip it down about as much as I can without doing too much climbing. Set a line a little bit higher up. And then connect the line to the green beast. The green beast is what happens when you buy your trailer secondhand. You just don't choose on color. I'll hook a snatch block up here. That way I can get a little leverage and give it a tug, just a little tug. Make sure it comes this way. That's the one. Rope, snatch block, strap. Alright, here's the deal. Got the snatch block over here just to give a little bit of pulley action. And I'm just gonna attach that off to the green beast. Should probably attach it. And this isn't gonna be a whole lot of pulling. It's gonna be, you know, 100 pounds or something. If there's any like knot gurus out there, you can correct me in the comments, but I'm just gonna do a running bowline here. Get the bowline going. No, I didn't loop it.
Oh, that tree went downhill fast.
It is dead, man.
Yeah.
So it was alive like a couple years ago or something?
Yeah, it had stuff going on.
Okay.
But you know, the spruce in Colorado wasn't spruce, they really
Yeah.
taking hits. That's what I heard.
I see them all over town just dead.
Yeah, they said there was some virus going around.
So yeah, I've seen a lot of them.
Wow.
They're still pretty solid. The wood. All right, now the way I see this rope system, it's just like a little bit of encouragement, you know, a little inducement to go down the right way. You don't really need it, but you know, just with houses and lights and stuff around here. Plus, you know, I'm hoping I can hit the tip of the green beast. All right, as I get like my pulling point, and I try to put a loop in. Alright, there we go. That way I've got something to pull against. That'll be rope retrieval. Alright, time to notch it. I'm gonna set you down here so you get the full fall of the tree. Alright, so here's the situation. We got the rope in place, snatch block, generally going for this area. The only real hazard is the truck, ouch, light post. Here we go. Tip a little bit, but there she goes. There we go. Nice. The hinge was okay. No, that's like the worst hinge you've ever seen. Don't do that. Don't show people a hinge like that on YouTube. All right, the joy with this technique is that now I'm blocking the sidewalk and I got a bucket really quick. I don't know if you guys do this, but this is what I call high loading the trailer. What I do is I get it up like 4 feet, 5 feet too high, throw a rope over it, bring it down, another 5 feet, bring it down, another 5 feet, bring it down, until the tree's gone. All right, so I got the trailer full of the branches. Yield logs are there. Gonna pick those up tomorrow when I do some more pruning and stuff. Now let's go dump this baby. Whoa, I just got rejected at our landscape recycling place because my pieces were over 8 feet long. It's so weird. I've been dumping here for years. I've never faced that requirement. So anyway, I'm gonna take it back to our place and chop it up. Maybe put it in the burn pile or compost it in some other way. Anyway, thanks for checking out the job. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.